My young friend, the way we breathe can significantly impact our physical, emotional, and mental well-being. Let's explore the differences between full breaths and shallow breaths. Full breaths, diaphragmatic breathing. 1. Engages the diaphragm. The diaphragm, a dome-shaped muscle, contracts and descends, allowing the lungs to fill with air. 2. Fills the lungs fully. The lungs expand, and the air fills the entire lung capacity, including the lower lungs. 3. Slows down heart rate. Diaphragmatic breathing can help slow down the heart rate, promoting relaxation and reducing stress. 4. Lowers blood pressure. Regular diaphragmatic breathing can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease, increases oxygenation. Full breaths allow for more efficient oxygenation of the body, which can improve cognitive function, boost energy, and enhance overall health. Shallow breaths, thoracic breathing. 1. Engages the chest muscles. Shallow breathing uses the chest muscles, intercostal muscles, to expand the lungs rather than the diaphragm. 2. Fills only the upper lungs. The air fills only the upper part of the lungs, leaving the lower lungs underutilized. Increases heart rate. Shallow breathing can lead to a faster heart rate, which can contribute to stress, anxiety, and fatigue. Raises blood pressure. Chronic shallow breathing can contribute to elevated blood pressure and increased risk of heart disease. 5. Decreases oxygenation. Shallow breathing can lead to inadequate oxygenation of the body, resulting in fatigue, brain fog, and decreased physical performance. Consequences of chronic shallow breathing. 1. Anxiety and stress. Shallow breathing can contribute to feelings of anxiety and stress. 2. Fatigue and lethargy. Inadequate oxygenation can lead to persistent fatigue and lethargy. 3. Decreased cognitive function. Shallow breathing can impair cognitive function, including attention, memory, and decision-making. 4. Weakened immune system. Chronic shallow breathing can weaken the immune system, making you more susceptible to illnesses. How to practice full breaths. 1. Find a comfortable position. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position with your back straight. 2. Place one hand on your belly. Place one hand on your belly and the other on your chest. 3. Inhale deeply. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your belly to rise as your diaphragm descends. 4. Exhale slowly. Exhale slowly through your mouth, allowing your belly to fall as your diaphragm rises. Practice regularly. Practice diaphragmatic breathing regularly, ideally 5 to 10 minutes a day, to develop a healthy breathing habit. Remember, my young friend, conscious breathing is a powerful tool for improving your physical, emotional, and mental well-being. By practicing full breaths, you can reduce stress, increase oxygenation, and enhance your overall health.